you'll see this little circular indicator here. Now, circular indicator right here is actually a pusher to be able to adjust the moon phase at the 6 o'clock position. And I'll go ahead and show you how that works now. So this is what I have in my hand here. This comes with the Rolex Moonphase Cellini. So those YouTube comments saying, oh, don't touch the watch with this. This is a tool specifically made for the Cellini, and this is to actually just press that presser there, and it'll be able to adjust the moon phase. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate that now. So right now, the moon phase indicator starts at the 12 o'clock position. There's a little ever rose gold arrow at the very 12 o'clock position of that subdial. You'll see that the full moon is about to come up to that position. We're going to go ahead and actually adjust that full moon, the meteorite full moon, up to that position. So we're going to locate that little presser there, and just 1, 2, 3, 4, until it's almost aligned or nicely aligned. You can actually adjust it from the crown side now. So go ahead and unwind that crown counterclockwise as shown. We're going to pull it out to the final position, and actually we're going to go ahead and just sort of shift the hands bidirectionally until it's nicely aligned with the 12 o'clock position subdial. And there we are. So now the indicator is pointing at a full moon at the specific subdial, and the significance of that, or the relevance of that, is that you can actually look at a online lunar calendar, and you can now adjust it from whatever position the moon is currently. So let's just say the moon is currently in the waning phase. Waning phase meaning that the shadows cover a specific start to cover the moon and convert it into a new moon. You're going to go ahead and just use the tool again on the presser, and then you'll be able to adjust, and you'll see that the circular disc underneath at the 6 o'clock position starts to move up towards that 12 o'clock position. And that means that the moon is currently waning until it finally gets to the new moon being indicated by the silver disc there. And then continuing on means that the moon is now waxing, meaning that the light is covering light is now beginning to recover the moon and convert it back to the full moon. So that's how you use that specific the moon phase technology on this watch.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on show more to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.